coming to you from That Canadian Lawn Guy channel, bringing you some thick grass cut by the ZMaster. Hi there, Craig with Thirsty's Lawn Care. Thanks for coming by to watch. What you're seeing here is a very thick, long, unkept lawn, and I was cutting my regular customer there to the right, and a neighbor came out and asked if I could cut this front yard for him, and it was out of pure enjoyment of this new ZMaster 6000 that I knew the power it has, and I knew I could cut it, and I said I would do it for him. So, sorry about the far back view, but I was afraid of grass hitting the camera, and didn't really want to do video of a neighbor that wasn't my customer, so I went a little bit farther back. So I asked them to move their cars, and I was going to blow a majority of the grass onto their driveway, and then I would blow that all back on the lawn. He said he would do the trimming, so I'm just getting it down to a 2.5 inch length, and that would be good for the season for them. Just the cut quality of every swipe with the machine is just unbelievable. I haven't had to sharpen the blades yet. This is the fourth week cutting 70 plus lawns a week, and the blades were super sharp, so I need to speak with the dealer and just see if they're special blades that I'm not used to having on zero turns, or if blade tip speed just allows blades to not get as dull as my other zero turns. And it definitely is nice to not have to sharpen blades like the last 3 weeks on this machine. I have been getting my lawns done much quicker with this machine, and it's allowed me to do a lot of hedge trimming, a lot of bush trimming, a lot of one-time cuts, and just taking care of any service like eaves trough cleaning, flower bed weeding, just a lot of trimming stuff on top of my very busy week of cutting and getting ready for the winter season. Getting everybody's quotes and quoting lots of things in the fall makes your week very crazy. But I love using this new machine, so that's why I just thought I'd show a quick video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed my banter, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help support my videos. Much appreciated. Take care.